Are you ready to take your IELTS speaking score from just okay to absolutely amazing? Well, it really all comes down to the words you choose. And today, we're going to unlock the exact vocabulary that truly impresses examiners.
You know that feeling, right? You're in the middle of the test and you're searching for that perfect word, but all you can find are the same old ones like good, bad, or important. It happens to almost everyone. But trust me, using precise, topic-specific words is one of the fastest ways to show the examiner what you can really do.
Welcome to the Explainer by IELTS Guide Phil on YouTube.
So let's dive right in. Look, using bigger words isn't about showing off. It's about showing you have a deep understanding of the topic, and that's what leaves a lasting positive impression. We're going to break down key terms for some of the most common IELTS topics, and more importantly, see exactly how to slip them into your answers naturally.
Okay, first up, let's tackle the topics that are all about us. You know, our education, our jobs, our lives. You can pretty much guarantee you're going to get questions about these. So when you're talking about education, instead of just saying a good all-around education, try using holistic development. It sounds so much better and it covers everything: intellectual, emotional, and social growth. For job-specific skills, the perfect phrase is vocational training. And of course, for anything about online education, e-learning is a must-know.
But how do you actually use these without sounding like a textbook? Well, listen to this example from IELTS Guide Phil.
I firmly believe that holistic development plays a crucial role. In my opinion, vocational training should be promoted as it equips individuals with practical skills.
See how smooth that sounds? It's sophisticated, but it's also perfectly clear. And this same idea works for the topic of work and career. 3 fantastic terms for you here. Work-life balance. I mean, who can't relate to that? Career advancement is just a great way to talk about getting a promotion or moving up in your job. And freelancing perfectly describes that modern trend of working for yourself. Now here you can see how to talk about the challenges of the modern workplace. Check out how the sample answer links these ideas. Maintaining a proper work-life balance has become increasingly difficult. While career advancement is undoubtedly important, many individuals are opting for freelancing. This shows you can handle complex ideas and talk about them fluently. It's a huge plus. All right. We've covered the personal stuff. Now, let's zoom out a bit and look at the bigger picture. Those global issues that pop up all the time in the IELTS test.
Technology. It's a huge topic, right? So being tech-savvy just means you're good with technology. Automation is the key word when you're discussing how machines are changing jobs and industries. And you absolutely have to know cybersecurity to talk about online safety. What's really great about this example is that it shows you can talk about both sides of an issue, the good and the bad. The answer does it perfectly. While automation enhances productivity, it has also resulted in the reduction of certain job opportunities. Additionally, cybersecurity threats are on the rise. That shows some really impressive critical thinking. When it comes to the environment, these 3 terms are pretty much non-negotiable. Your carbon footprint is your personal impact on the climate. Renewable energy, that's all about sustainable sources like solar and wind. And deforestation is that critical issue of cutting down our forests. Using vocabulary like this lets you speak with real authority and, a bit of passion. For instance, reducing our carbon footprint and investing in renewable energy sources can contribute significantly to environmental preservation. It's just so clear, direct, and uses precise language to make a really powerful point. Let's talk about travel. These words add so much personality to your answers, you're gonna love them. Wanderlust? What a beautiful word for that strong desire to travel. Going off the beaten track means you're avoiding all the crowded tourist spots. And cultural immersion. That's all about really, truly experiencing a local culture. Just listen to how these phrases make the answer sound so much more alive and personal. I prefer exploring off-the-beaten-track destinations where I can experience authentic local life. Engaging in cultural immersion allows me to broaden my perspective. And for our final topic, let's look at health and fitness. A sedentary lifestyle. That's the perfect term for a life with way too much sitting around. A balanced diet might sound simple, but it's an essential phrase. And mental well-being is so important for talking about health that goes beyond just the physical body. And this final example shows you how to bring all these ideas together for a really comprehensive answer. In today's digital age, many individuals lead a sedentary lifestyle. It is essential to adopt a well-balanced diet. I prioritize regular exercise as it helps me maintain both my physical health and mental well-being.
It's a fantastic model for how to structure an answer that's just packed with great vocabulary. So, there you have it. You've seen the words and you've seen how to use them. Now for the really important part, making them your own by getting out there and practicing. And now it's your turn. IELTS Guide Phil wants to know, which topic do you find the most difficult in the IELTS speaking test? Is it technology, the environment, maybe something totally different? Go ahead and let us know down in the comments.
And hey, if you want to go even deeper on this stuff, you totally can. You can read the original full blog post over at IELTSGuidePhil.com, watch more explainers just like this one right here on the YouTube channel, and join the awesome and supportive Facebook community. All the links for that are waiting for you in the description below.
And for those of you who are looking for that expert, one-on-one guidance to really push your score to the next level, IELTS Guide Phil offers an online writing and speaking coaching service. For personalized feedback that can help you zero in on your weak spots and ace the exam, just comment below to learn more. Thanks so much for watching.